Hello, I'm the person in charge of explaining Paint Farm YouTube. The site we will introduce today is a classroom at Seosan Industrial High School. We installed dual touchscreen boards in the front of the newly decorated computer classroom. Two touchscreen boards were connected to one PC with two projectors, and each monitor was mirrored by two auxiliary monitors to make it easier for teachers to teach. When we first visited the site, we were worried about whether the wall made of SGP partitions could support the weight of the beam projector and touchscreen board. We solved the problem with an integrated projector touchscreen board bracket that we built, and we ended up with two sets of precision touch visuals that was stronger than anything else on site. Another classroom was built in the same way. In the process of working, some noise was generated during the process of connecting two touchscreen boards, so we tried various methods to solve it. Recently, schools have been trying to connect two boards to fill the wall with a long video, like this one, and it's becoming more and more common. I think we need to develop and supply a wider touchscreen. We will introduce a new product to meet the needs of teachers soon. Today, we introduce the consultation room of Seosan Industrial High School, which has two classrooms and a total of 4 sets of touch boards. We will visit another site next time. Thank you. Paint Farm, do.